palliative care is actually a specialty in medicine. But of course, an oncologist, being doctors who care for cancer patients, palliative care is part of our curriculum. So palliative care is actually one of the areas that I, as an oncologist, also focus. And an example of palliative care would be addressing the patient's pain. Because sadly, about 70% or more of cancer patients throughout their journey can experience some sort of pain, especially in the advanced stages of the disease. Palliative care does not only belong for patients who have very, very advanced cancer. Palliative care can actually be implemented even the very early stages of cancer. I would also like to um, state that because since we're discussing cancer and palliative care, people might think that palliative care is only for cancer patients, but
Okay.
palliative care is a specialty of medicine that relieves discomfort.